Hi, today I would be unboxing EarJoy's noise reduction earplugs and silicone moldable plugs. These plugs are very useful in order to reduce the noise and to use them when you are swimming or when you are working in the construction sites, etc. Let's see what's inside these boxes. With this you get these are the silicone moldable plugs, which you can see these are compressible, which you can put it into your ears. They will automatically readjust according to the size of your ear. And as you can see, these are the ones which will block the noise completely. These earplugs will block the noise completely. When you put these into your ears, you won't be able to hear any noise outside. This helps you to concentrate, and when you're working in a construction site or when there is some construction going on beside your house, or when you want to concentrate, you can use these earplugs. These can be used when you're swimming as well, so that the water doesn't get into your ears. They are also provided and carry case, which you can use to carry these when you are traveling. These earplugs, these are the traveling earplugs which you can use when you are going in airlines or train, so that you can avoid the sound. These are very useful devices which you can own. Especially this helps you to concentrate, as well as whenever your partner is snoring or whenever you can't sleep properly because of the noise around you, you can make use of this.